Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the RayNeo Air 2 AR XR glasses. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $380. Now on a side note, check this out. I bought these on Amazon. And right now, there's a $50 coupon. That's going to drop the price to $330. Now, I know what some of y'all getting ready to say, $330, that's a lot of money, but keep this in mind. The Apple Vision Pro is $3,500. And these are way more comfortable and way more versatile. You can use these with way more products. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now, these feature Sony's next-gen micro OLED displays. That's going to give you 600 nits brightness, a 1080p display at 120 hertz refresh rate. Now, the weight of these glasses is 76 grams. That makes these thinner and lighter than most AR glasses. You're getting 9 levels of adjustment for the nose bridge and the arms. That's going to give you the perfect fit, and these are super comfortable. Now, these feature Whisper Mode 2.0. That's going to give you clean, crisp audio, even at minimum volume. Now, these don't have a battery. They're going to use the battery from whatever product you plug them into. That is a great thing. You never got to charge these up. Now, these are compatible with any device that has DisplayPort over USB-C. Now, if you got an old school Pixel or an old school iPhone with a Lightning adapter, or you want to use a console, they do sell an adapter, and you can buy that as a bundle. Now, you got the RayNeo AR app that lets you customize your display color. That's an industry first. But the best thing about these glasses is you're getting a 201-inch display. Think about that. You put on some sunglasses, and you can watch your movies or do some gaming with a 201-inch display at 1080p, 120 hertz refresh rate. That is crazy. All right, so let's unbox this and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes?
My white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, now let me mention one more thing. Now, if you watch my What's in My Travel Bag, you see me with AR glasses before, I would state my reputation on these, okay? Now, a lot of people ask me, how come I don't review the Apple Vision Pro or the PlayStation VR or the Oculus Quest? And the thing about all those devices and any device that has goggles, they all suffer from the same problem. You can't wear them for too long without them being uncomfortable. You're not going to want to be on an airplane or the train or a bus or outside in public with some big goggles on. Now, me personally, anytime I wear goggles, after 30, 40 minutes, you got to lift them up. You got to wipe your eyes. They start to get hot. They start to get steamy. They're just too uncomfortable. With AR glasses, you could wear these on your 6-hour flight like a boss with no head fatigue. I love these. All right, let's see, did we miss anything? Okay, so you got immersive, large screen experience. You got the next-gen OLED displays, dynamic stereo sound with whisper mode for privacy. And that's pretty dope. Whisper mode. So if you're sitting next to an old lady on a flight and you're watching some scumbag videos or you're watching a movie that got a lot of cursing and gunshots, you don't want everybody to hear you. Personally, I use headphones, but you got Whisper Mode 2.0. 120 hertz refresh rate. You got your TUV eye protection, ultra lightweight, customizable ergonomic design for comfort, common user scenarios, immersive watching experience, plug and pay, massive gaming, okay? Plug and play, massive gaming, mobile office, anytime, anywhere. That's another thing I use these for, gaming, incredible. Nice black box, y'all know I like that, giggity. Okay, let's see, we need a little knife. I got the West Side Story. Shout out to my old school dudes. Y'all seen West Side Story, y'all know what this is about. Rah, one more. Rah. Okay, here we go. All right, inside the box. All right, shoes, back up a little. This is going to be your AR glasses. Now, look at the size of these compared to the Apple Vision Pro or compared to your Oculus Quest or compared to any VR that has a big goggle. All right, you're not going to wear those on a flight. These, they look like regular sunglasses. All right, let's see what else you get inside. Okay, all right, shoes is trolling. This is going to be a 6-foot cable. Now, this is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. All right, shoes, you want to inspect that for quality, do some work. Of course, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Let's see what else you get. Now, this is going to be microfiber cleaning cloth. Keep your lenses nice and clean. Okay. Just like that. This should be a carrying pouch. Let's just make sure. Okay, nice little carrying pouch with the drawstrings. And you got your your RayNeo branding. And let's see what else you get in here. Okay, now this is important. If you wear glasses, AR glasses are not going to fit on top of your glasses, but you could get your prescription lenses installed into these, or you could just wear contact lenses. All right, and now let's take a look at the Air 2 glasses. Let's peel this off. Okay, now look at these. Now these have an actual little reflectivityness to them. Okay, you can see me in the background. Okay, let's see the build quality in these. If you got an Easter Island size head, they do stretch. And keep in mind, different levels of adjustment. Okay, you're gonna have to move these up and down. Here's your controls. So you got your brightness and you got your volume. You can see your speakers right there. You got silicone nose tips, which are adjustable, and they feel nice and soft. Make on the inside. I'll do that one in a second. This is your proximity sensor. Okay, so you're not going to see the lenses until they get close to your nose. Then they'll activate. But inside, you got the Sony micro OLED displays. It's 2 of them, 1 in each eye. But when you put them on, it's going to look like you're watching a 201-inch display. That is crazy. And the best thing about these, plug and play. No battery necessary. All you got to do, let me just go ahead and open this up. Now you do got a little cable management clip. I like that. All you got to do is open this up. Okay. You're going to plug this end into your glasses and this end into your laptop, into your phone, into your Steam Deck. Okay. Into your Nintendo, whatever device you got. Plug it in. It's going to use the battery from that device. Put these on your face and enjoy that 201-inch display. That is insane. And look how these look. Now, I'll put them on in a second and show you how they look when I'm wearing them. But it looks like you're just wearing a set of glasses. Now, I'm going to peel all these stickers off in a minute. That's the best thing about these. Very discreet. So when I'm on a flight, I just got these on. I might have a little hoodie on right on top of that. And it looks like I'm just chilling with a set of sunglasses on. And I'm watching a movie with a 201-inch display. 1080p, 120 hertz refresh rate. That's crazy. All right, let's check some compatibility. All right, so one more thing I want to mention. Now, this is one of those videos that you're not going to get the full effect of the product. Just like when I do headphones or speakers, you can't really hit them. You're just going to have to take my word for it, and y'all know I'm going to give it to you straight. These are incredible. Watch this. Now, I got an iPhone. I'm just going to plug these in. And at the top, see that little connection? Now, inside of the glasses, say this is my nose right here. If you look closely, you can see the iPhone display. Now, it's hard to see on camera, but when you got the glasses on your eyes, you see that? It looks like a 201-inch display. Now, I'm going to put on a YouTube video and look at this. Look at that. You see, it's like watching this video. Let me hit play on the video. Do y'all see that? It's hard to see. Okay, it's hard to see, but it's like I'm watching a 201-inch display. Now let's get maximum volume. Matter of fact, let's do a little sound test. Now again, you're not going to be able to hear how loud the speakers are, but let me give you an idea. I'm going to hit play on the video. Hit the proximity sensor. Y'all hear this?
How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound?
That is crazy. And you got to remember, when you're watching the video, these are going to be right above your ears. It's going to sound even louder. Y'all hear that? That is crazy. So the speakers on these glasses sound really good. All right, so now I'm going to try something else. I'm going to hit play on the music at maximum volume. I'm going to put the glasses on my face right next to the mic. So you're going to hear some leakage. And then I'm going to drop down the volume and try to whisper 2.0 mode and see if y'all can hear what he's saying. So let's play the music. Okay. Y'all hear the music playing right now? They sound really good. Now I'm going to drop the volume. Okay. I'm going to put it to minimum volume. Then I can still hear it. Okay, now I can still hear it. Do y'all hear anything? It's super low, but I can still hear it. Now let's go back to maximum volume. Now remember, this is a super quiet environment. But if you're on an airplane, nobody's going to hear this. This is maximum volume. I know y'all can barely hear it, but to me, it sounds super loud, and that bass is rumbling. These are easily the best speakers that I heard yet on AR glasses. Look at that. You see the proximity sensor inside? I'm watching a Marc Rebillet concert. This is insane. All right, so now let's try the same thing with an Android phone. So we're just going to plug these in. Take it over to the glasses. Okay, now look, I'm using a Galaxy, so it asked me, do I want to use Samsung DeX? That's even better. But we're just going to take standard and look at that. You see inside, there's the display. Let's take it over to YouTube. Now, what I use this for the most, though, is when I'm on my flights and I'm scrolling through Instagram. This is crazy. All right, so look at this. Watching a video. Again, super hard to see on camera. Remember, it's two displays. But when you put them on, it's going to look like one big 201-inch display. Insane. Plug and play. Now, when you're using your phone, my advice would be get something like this. Portable battery charger. Slap it on the back. And this way I can rock out my whole flight and watch my videos. Look at that. That is pretty dope. All right, so I just want y'all to see that all of this stuff works. Here's an iPad. Okay, so we're just going to plug this in. Just like that. Okay. External display. Use screen mirroring. Take it to the glasses. And look at that. You see? That's the full display. Right on the inside. Again, when you put these on your nose, this video is not doing it justice. It's going to blow your mind. So it works with your iPads. Now here's another one of my favorite uses, gaming. Okay, so I got my Asus ROG Ally, and check this out. When I hit the proximity sensor, as you can see, gaming with the glasses. So I'm going to put these on real quick. Okay, let's hit the game, and just like this. Oh, he's out here. Okay, he's trying to do his thing. Let me get one combo. Oh, okay, hold up. I'm looking like a scrub right now. Hold up, here we go. There it is. How dope is that? And you hear the sound coming from the glasses and the image. Gaming on a 201-inch display. How dope is this? All right, now, of course, let's try the Steam Deck. So we got Street Fighter 6 queued up. All we got to do, plug this in. And look at that. The screen's turned off. It turned back on. And now it's inside of the glasses. Now I'm going to go ahead and, matter of fact, I'm going to put these on. All right. Just so y'all can see that I'm actually playing. All right. Skip all of this. Now look, you can't even see the display, but I can see the actual game. I just want you to see that they actually work. I'm gonna do a few combos real quick, and then I'll take them. I'll unplug it just so you can see.
Let us begin.
All right, here we go.
Simple and clean.
This is Street Fighter 6. Oh, he got me. Hold that. You see? Now watch this. I'm gonna take them off. I want y'all to see inside of the glasses, I'm actually gaming. This is so sick. Let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's try Windows laptop. So I got the glasses. We're just gonna plug these in right into the USB Type-C. Okay, there it is. Now start watching the video. And look at that. Right inside of the glasses. This is dope. Now, if you change your lid settings, you can close your laptop, watch a movie on your flight, just like this. Y'all hear those speakers? Listen to this. Watch when that beat drop. Look at that. I love these. All right, so let's try one last product. We got the MacBook Pro. I'm going to plug this into the USB Type-C port. And if you look closely, inside of the glasses, MacBook display. 201 inches. Now I'll open something up. Let's take it over to Facebook. Okay, we'll go full screen. Now I can be on Facebook on my MacBook, but 201 inches. This is incredible. All right, so here's how the glasses look when you're wearing them. Very discreet, perfect for flying, perfect for your commute, and perfect for chilling in the house, watching videos, or scrolling through Instagram without disturbing anybody else. Now, y'all can't see this on camera, but I'm actually scrolling through my Instagram, watching a bunch of videos. Now, I'm going to play the sound, see if y'all hear anything. You hear the sound? Just chilling, watching my videos. This is the perfect way to fly. One last thing I want to mention. Now, if you're going to use these for a long period of time, if you're in your house, make sure your device is plugged in because these are going to eat a lot of the battery. But if you're going to travel and you're going to watch movies or you're going to do some gaming or use your phone, I highly recommend getting a portable battery charger or a portable power bank. Now, when I do my usual flight to Vegas, that's about 6 hours, a small power bank like this on my phone will let me rock my glasses for that whole trip. Let's kind of wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the RayNeo Air 2s a major, major, major go. And at $330, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. You need these. First of all, they're compatible with a plethora of devices. No battery necessary, so it's just plug and play. The build quality is excellent. Okay, premium materials. The picture quality, 1080p at 120 hertz with the OLED displays. That's going to give you that super vibrant color accuracy. Now, the darker your environment, the better the picture's going to be. But even in a bright environment, these look amazing. And not to mention, they got one of the best sounding speakers that I heard yet on any AR glasses. And look how cool they look. Must-have travel accessory. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these.
2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.